Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shreddeddad.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to store your barbell vertically so that you have more room to store other equipment on there and get stuff off the floor so you have more room to work out. And this is actually just a very simple hook. It's a heavy duty hook. It holds about 40 pounds. And for a barbell, the weight capacity really doesn't matter because the barbell is actually being supported by the floor. Now this hook over here has two teeth standing up like this, and the teeth prevent the barbell from falling forward when I yank it. So if I pull on it, the teeth are blocking that, and the whole point of that is just to keep the barbell in place. You're not supporting the barbell with the hook. The floor is doing that. Now these hooks are very versatile because I can use them on a lot of things, such as I have here. Over here on this side, I'm holding my foldable bench with two of those hooks. Over here, I have my parallettes being held up by these hooks. So you can use them for a lot of things, but I like the fact that you can use these for very cheap. Two of these are about 10 bucks, so $5 a piece will get you a hook, a vertical barbell holder. Very, very inexpensive. It's gonna open up a whole wall for you. Instead of having the bar vertically over here taking up 7 feet of space, now you only have a few inches of space being taken up by the wall, especially if you only have a couple barbells around your gym. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave a link below this video where you can pick this up. 2 for 10 bucks is what they sell them for. Very inexpensive. They'll ship them to you for free. And then that'll give you more opportunity to have more space in your wall so that you can take advantage of that. Get stuff off the floor, put it on the wall, and have more room to work out. So I hope you liked the information in this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the latest videos. And if you're building a home gym, make sure you also visit my website, shreddeddad.com, where I have a ton of information there on home gym organizations, DIY equipment, hacks, and just everything about a home gym. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one.